guys, I'm just taking a break from rendering some files here on the computer here in Sparta still, getting ready for the next video. But actually it's funny because it seems like every fall it always sneaks up on me. I'll just look up at my amps coming in and it'll say something ridiculous and I'm like, oh, darn it. It's the sun. Too low again. But that's why I have the ability to tilt the panels. So I climbed up on the roof for the first time since last spring. Popped the panels up and got some excellent late evening solar here to be able to have enough power to run a couple fans and keep the laptop charged while I do some editing. You know, you never know when it's gonna happen until all of a sudden I'm like, you know what, I feel like I should have more power. Oh, that's right. The sun is going to be lower all day and not straight up in the sky. So my solar hours have decreased. So, yeah, that's what we'll do. I'll finish editing and then I'll cut back in the morning when we get back on the road for new adventures. And a good overcast morning to y'all. Funny, some people were mentioning the reason Jax doesn't use the seat anymore is because the Seahawk stuff. You haters. But that's funny. I like that. See? He still likes Seahawks. He just doesn't like that cat bed anymore. I don't know. Maybe it acquired a smell that made him uncomfortable or something. Cool. Well, we're gonna boogie on down the road and have some fun today. Starting off here in West Salem, Wisconsin, but I think we'll be in a new state by the end of the day. The fall crispness in the air really makes me happy. You know, the change in the seasons. I'm over the heat and humidity. I am so welcoming this colder weather. We've got 3 dino skeletons here off the highway. Now
eventually you do plan to have dinosaurs on your dinosaur tour, right?
With beady little red eyes. Long extinct though. Yeah. Probably not gonna stay on I-90 as much as I thought I was. There are plenty of these 2-lane back roads that parallel the big highways with, well, as you can see, a lot more fun stuff to see, so. All right. Okay, now here in Alaska, we have another special treat. A little porcelain kitty cat with his yarn. I mean, he looks so playful, huh? Oh, it's a donation ball yarn. You can donate to Mr. Kitty Cat here at the animal shelter. I like that. It's pretty cool. I don't know if Jax would dig it or not. It's kind of a creepy looking cat, actually.
Did you lose your ball of yarn? So funny.
Well, we're in Alaska right now, and for you Wisconsin locals wondering why I pronounce that right, it's because we have one back home as well, spelled exactly the same. So I'm pretty sure it's pronounced on Alaska. There it is, guys. The Mississippi River. They do offer free 2-hour parking here. Wow. That's Minnesota over there. So this sign here says it's the Upper Mississippi River National Wildlife and Fish Refuge out there. But the famous fish of Alaska in all its glory. I think he's gotten a paint job recently because the pictures I saw were not this vibrant. Looks cool though. They do have a nice covered gazebo. As far as the Mississippi River, guys, if you're paying attention, this is a hint, a little forecast of what's going on this fall. Okay, some of you have asked me what I will be doing this fall on YouTube, if there's going to be a trip or a theme or anything. Well, it's got something to do with this big body of water, and I think you're going to like traveling along with me this fall. for the record, I don't usually like to go through the big cities once, let alone park and come back. But I think I have found something truly disturbingly creepy to share with you. I'm here at the La Crosse Police Department here. Okay, first of all, think of the word art, interpretive. Title, Hatched Baby, Artist, Wolfgang Auer. Why? That's creepy. That's straight up, I don't care who you are. That is creepy. I believe this is all fiberglass as well. Is it? Yep, this is fiberglass. But what is that's just flat out strange. Was I right to turn around, park, and come look at this thing? Okay. La Crosse, you stay weird. It's starting to smell like a brewery. Across the street, we don't aim to make the most beer, only the best. And who is this? Gambernus, the king of beer? He's like a regular old Sam Adams up there. The king of beers himself here is in La Crosse, Wisconsin.
Gulp. W-X-Y-N-G.
Oh, I guess you're free to...
Give him the breathalyzer!
Huh?
Okay, here in La Crosse, world's largest six-pack. Oh my gosh, let me go to the other side of the street. From across the street, you can really see how big these are. I don't know if there's still beer inside them right now, but that is pretty cool. So this holds 22,000 barrels of beer, or 688 gallons in this six-pack right here. Placed end to end, these cans would run 565 miles and would provide one person a six-pack a day for 3,351 years. I'm getting there. I'm getting close. All right, now we will cross over this beautiful baby blue bridge with a view of the Mississippi River, and we are currently in Minnesota right now. Welcome back to Minnesota, Eric and Jax. I'm going to keep driving around a little bit looking for like a public access spot to the river where I could possibly boondock on the river. So the river's right off to my right here. That was probably a good road to take, actually. All right, so here we are in Dakota. Welcome to Dakota, Minnesota, with still the river over here. Okay, there's the river. The mighty Mississippi.
Ah, that's the Mississippi, the mighty Mississippi. The old miss, the old man.
I see train tracks down there. Darn it. That probably means I'm not going to be able to boondock on the river, but... hang on, what is going on here? What is it? Oh, Minnesota grass tastes better? Does that taste a little better, Jax? No? Okay. It's about the same? Okay. You funny boy. Can I have some? You sharing? Oh. Alright, now understand this. Just because it's quiet right now does not mean it's going to be quiet all night. Because I'm parked right off the road, and actually on the other side of this fence right here are train tracks. I can almost guarantee you several times tonight it is going to be loud. But on the other side of the train tracks is the Mississippi River. In fact, just 200 feet from where I am parking the RV is some information on the Dakota Mississippi River public water access. Okay, so the park is basically just a boat launch. There isn't really a park. But I mean, I get to park, and right over there is the Mississippi River. This is just a little inlet here for the boat launch and the railroad track covered there, but that's the Mississippi out there. So I think I did pretty good. I am a little bit happy to be back in Minnesota. I've missed it, and I've already mentioned the crispness in the air is really making me a happy camper. So, guys, thanks for watching my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And from Jax and I, we will see you back on the road in Minnesota here in a few days. Bye, guys.